Mechatronics practice is one of the practice in mechanical engineering class. In this practice, we create our own favorite machines freely. First, we make a plan and receive a check by the teachers or teaching assistants. Then, practically, we assemble what we want to make in cooperation with a pair. I think mechatronics practice is very interesting. But only one thing I want to complain is that we have no time. If we had had more time to this practice, we could be satisfied with the more.
English exercise for Department of Mechanics is often newly formed this year. This course gives opportunities for students from various points to training English faculties required for engineers. For example, the content is studying technical terms concerning machine using websites, listening, practicing in pronunciation, making short movie. Though there is little time for English training, I think that it is enough for students to start studying English voluntarily.
In biological experiment, we investigate the DNA about the enzyme to decompose aldehyde caused by alcohol. The DNAs are extracted from cells in our mouth and reproduced by PCR method. The result shows to us whether we are easy to get drunk or not. It is exciting to me that biology has much possibility to contribute to engineering.
Battleship is a famous board game that is played worldwide. This game requires two players. Both players have to decide their deployment of ships on a square board, and by turns they have to seek out the opponent's deployment of ships. During the classes, we were tasked to create our own AI program, and we held a competition of whose program is the strongest by simulating a round robin. In these classes, we could learn the basic knowledge of creating a program and the fair experience of developing an algorithm.
Dynamic design exercise is an exercise that makes an effort which go against the flow by simulation analysis. Repeat changing the shape of the effort and analyzing the flow around the effort. At the end of the exercise, we actually created the effort and conducted an experiment whether to go against the flow. By the way, the effort I made did not go to 1 millimeter before.
Hands-on computer training integrated system exercise is a course to produce computer programs using 3D computer graphics, parallel computing, and computer vision. I produced a simple virtual reality program that rotates a solid figure on screen according to the position of the user's face detected in image from webcam. It was a good opportunity for me to learn about computer vision.
I introduced Turing Engine program. It starts in summertime in third year. In it, we design, draw, and make our Turing engine. First, we design what type of engine we make and what material we use. Next, with a soft computer-aided design, we make 3D model and drawing of engine. Finally, we actually make our Turing engine on a lathe, milling machine, and drilling machine. For safety, we wear working clothes and safety shoes.
In simulation and visualization, we simulate phenomena such as molecular motion using MD or DEM. MD means molecular dynamics, and DEM means distinct element method. In both cases, we set up a physical model of the object and program its motion. And then, In MD, we define the potential energy and differentiate it to calculate the force. In DEM, where particles collide with each other, the contact is considered as one with spring and damper. This is how we calculate the force to the particles and simulate the motion according to the equation of motion.